Yeah, leave your shoes on.
I would love to have a house on a lake like this. That'd be so cool. It'd be big. It's probably haunted. I think a lot of shit's happened here since this thing happened. There's probably fucking a lot of disturbances. Super cicada-y out here. Cicada-y. Hi, Nikki. Shout out to Nikki. I almost thought that was a Swazimoto there for a minute. A Swazimoto. It looked like it at first glance, but shout out to y'all. The R Trail. Kind of plain at the moment. Just listening to the nature, it's just kind of makes you feel a home. Continuing to do the trail. That's alright, I already got it. I was just gonna get that reflection off of the water like you did. Straight stole up your content. Pretty cool tree stump. If I was an ant, I would live in one. How many years old is this? Comment below. Remember that movie that had the gynecologist joke? You know how old, we know how old you really are. I'm gonna count the ring.
You don't know.
This is 40. That's a good movie. Yeah. Yep. Stay hydrated. Not much happening out here today, guys. It looks like a trail that just keeps going straight. Not much excitement. It does look like it's all dim. It's a rainy day. Kind of gross. Gross day. Most excitement I've seen so far is, what are those?
Are you scared?
I don't know where the spider webs are. I can get it. What the hell is that? It's not no chicken of the cave. Ooh, there's like maggots on it or something. What the hell is that bug?
Yeah, seriously, hold on.
I lost you.
You gotta hold on, okay?
He left me.
He's busy at this moment. Hold on.
Don't really know, guys. It's
When you're done, turn that off so you can touch it so I can touch it.
alright. That's about the most exciting thing so far.